Hello everyone, welcome back to Agastya Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is welcome tutorial number 10 in our beginner series. In today's video, we are going to learn about column C and how it controls width in satin stitch. I will explain everything slowly and clearly so beginners can easily understand. Let's begin. Column C is used to control the width of a satin stitch. Column A and column B are used to draw the sides, but column C decides the width of the satin stitch. That is why column C is important. Now look at the left side toolbox. Here you can see the column C tool. I click on the column C tool. Now I will draw a simple shape only for practice. First, I left click to start. Then I keep left clicking to place points. I am drawing a simple line. After finishing the shape, I press enter. Sometimes we need to press enter twice. This is normal in Wilcom. Now I am using a slightly turning shape. So you can clearly see how the width stays same at corners. First, I select the column C tool. Now I left click once to start. I keep left clicking to place the points. I am drawing a simple turning shape. This is only for practice. After finishing the shape, I press enter. If needed, I press enter one more time. Now the column C object is created. I am using this shape to clearly show how the width behaves, even when the direction changes. You don't need to draw perfectly. This is only to understand the tool. Now look at the object properties on the right side. Here you can see the width value. Even if the object is not selected, the width is still visible. This is correct because column C controls width directly. Wilcom shows the width automatically. So there is no problem here. In this tutorial, we are not using right click. We are using only left click and enter. This is easier and perfect for beginners. Column C is used to control width. Width may be visible even without selecting the object. Press enter once or twice if needed. Practice with the simple shapes. That's all for today's tutorial. Practice this step slowly. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Agastya Embroidery Boutique. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.